What's up, guys? Will H back with another video. Doing a speaker comparison today between the iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is that space gray, looking good. And also the Google Pixel 7 Pro. This is the snow. I know that looks good. Both of them have dual speakers. You got one here, one at the bottom, stereo. I'm not going to be using any kind of enhancements or anything like that. Just going to be coming straight from the onboard music. Players on here. Going to be some non-copyright music. I'm going to mix it up a little bit. Then I'll throw in a video of mine just talking to give an example of something like podcast, watching a movie, or a book being read to you or something like that. So let's go ahead and get this cranked up. Now I got both of them at max volume. Now I know a lot of people don't listen at their music at max volume. But just for the purpose of this video, I'm going to max them out and see just which one sounds, give you a more pleasing sound. So the first selection is called The Truth. I'll try and notate the selections on the display. So let's go first on the iPhone. So I'm going to take my lapel mic. Here it is. And I'm going to put it right on my tripod here in between both of these devices and let it hang right there, so it's going to be equally spaced between them. And let's go ahead and get this started. iPhone 14 Pro Max first. Guys, Will H back with another video. Got the Google Pixel 7 Pro out in the park area here, shooting a little 4K 60 video. This is the onboard microphones. It's Will H back with another video. Got the Google Pixel 7 Pro out in the park area here, shooting a little 4K 60 video. This is the onboard microphones. Okay guys, so this has been my speaker comparison between the iPhone 14 Pro Max and the Google Pixel 7 Pro. So in my opinion, the iPhone has the better overall sounding speakers, bass, mids, highs, and also was louder than the Google Pixel 7 Pro. The 7 Pro speakers are not bad. They sound great mids, highs, and lows, but I just think overall the iPhone had the better speakers in this comparison. Let me know in the comments which one you think hearing it over YouTube sound better. But that's it, guys. Will H, Gadgets and More. I'm out.